Welcome to Banao Bharat's Trading for Living Thursday expiry live session. Well, markets are struggling to find some direction, and looks like now the markets are giving some upward movement since morning. If you see, Nifty opens at around 17,076, goes up to 17,218, comes down to 17,160 levels, and now once again trying to break 17,218, which is the day's high. So today being the expiry day, it had a one clear upward movement in the morning, and after that it tapered out before yesterday's high itself, and again it is trying to make a comeback and see if it can do one more round of upward movement, which looks like it might go up to 240 levels, and again it might find some resistance at around 17,240. So this is the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty yesterday's high was at around 40,198, makes a opening high at 40,240. From the morning's low of first candle low has been 39,844. From there on continuously goes up, crosses yesterday's high at 40,198, makes a new high at 40,240 and comes down. Again it is now trying to go back and create a new buy signal at 40,240. So will it sustain from here on is what we need to wait and watch. Today being a expiry day, there might be some quick short covering that might come up in all of these stocks. So there is a possibility that the breakouts in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, what we are seeing since morning, or from the morning, the way the trend has developed, looks like this breakout will sustain for the day, and there will be some quick short covering movement in both Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. So for example, if you see the options data, I am just checking the options data for a minute, and if you see in Bank Nifty, there is some amount of call writing that is at around 40,200, which is reducing now compared to the morning's call writing activity. If you see the call writing activity now at 40,200 strike rate is far less compared to the morning's movement. So there is more chances that whatever the calls that have been written at 40,200 will get closed off, and the new put writing at 40,200 will start emerging, which means there will be some quick movement from this level onwards for you to make some very quick money. So that is, if you are looking for some good movement on the expiry day, now is the time for you to be entering into the trade. From here on, Nifty is expected to at least move another 50 to 60 points from this level onwards. Let us see what is happening on the settlement chart for both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. You can see here settlement chart, we had seen a breakout at 39,800. It came down close to the breakout level. Today's low has been 39,844. Again it is back to the highs in this settlement. So in this settlement, whatever we are seeing now is the recent high, and there is some good volumes also. So Bank Nifty sailing well above the breakout level on the settlement chart. Nifty also is now crossing the breakout level once again at 17,208. You can see here 17,208 happened to be the Friday high. From there on it came down, cut lows, and from again it started pulling up. So it's very clear this low has been held, which is 16,918. From 16,918 came down to 16,866. From there on we are already seeing the levels of 17,200. So even on a daily chart, if you see, Nifty looks like the bottom is made at 16,866. From there on it has started pulling up now, and will this pullback on the daily charts, which has started from 16,866. Will it sustain and make some decent pullback levels is what we need to wait and watch. So coming back to the intraday chart, Nifty is hovering at around 17,220 levels. This is the level to watch out for. There is actually one resistance at 17,238 which might be taken out, and it might close above 17,240 today itself. We need to wait and watch, but for no reason, please do not be short in the market. This market should not be shorted anymore. So having said that, this is with respect to both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty charts. Today being the expiry of both Nifty and Bank Nifty, it is better we just see these two charts and make some inference. The overall inference for the last 3 hours of trading is both Nifty and Bank Nifty are trying to give a breakout on the upside, and all setups are looking favorable for a upside breakout, including the charts on options. Even if you looks like the way it is taking out the morning high of 17,218 with volumes, it looks like even 17,240 will not be acting as a resistance, and it might Nifty might comfortably cross 17,240 as well and close above that levels. So overall analysis is there is not any short movements. There is no shorts in the market. People are frantically candle onwards. It is showing some kind of upward movement, and it has taken some breather, spent few candles within the range, and now the breakout is happening. This breakout might sustain today, especially being the expiry day, and options charts also is suggesting there is short covering in calls and additional puts being written, which means from here on there is more of a upside and less of a downside. So have a profitable expiry day. We will once again meet tomorrow. Until then, Om Swasti.